So the first thing we need to be able to do is get data in and out of Pandas. So we have a data frame here in the middle. This is sort of where it lives when we're working with it. These are all the formats, or many of the formats, that you can use to get data. So I can use comma separated values, Excel, Parquet, HTML, HDF5, JSON, GBQ, SQL. You don't have to know what all of those are, but the bottom line is you can get data into Pandas from a variety of places. That's really powerful. The nice thing about it is that when you're done, I could take data, put it into Pandas, clean up all the crap that's in the data, and then put it back into that format. And it's really that easy. And all I have to do, for example, is type PD for the pandas object dot read underscore and then the format that I want to use. CSV is super common. It's simple and it's very clean. So that's what we use a lot of the time, but you can get it straight from Excel. You can get it from a variety of different, as you can see here, a variety of different places. And so putting that data in there is easy. And if I want to export that, all I have to do is say PD, or actually df dot to, and then you can see here are all of the things. If I wanted to do to HTML, let's try that. To HTML, and then I give it the file name. Okay. And then let's see if I can find file that, there it is, file.html. Open in browser, Chrome. There it is, the whole data file. Just like that in an HTML table. So you can do a lot of stuff that's kind of powerful with just a few commands, which is what makes a great data analysis object or data analysis library.